Hello everyone, it's Quoia and I'm back with another video. So today I wanted to do some crimps for you all. So I'm just going to start off by sectioning off my hair and then taking a small piece of my hair and then brushing it, and then I'm going to go in with my iron crimper that I got from Sally Beauty. I think this crimping iron was about $40. It wasn't that expensive at all, y'all. And I'm going to start to crimp my hair, and I'm just going to press down on my hair, and then I'm going to hold on to the ends. You don't have to hold on to the end of the clamp, but I like to sometimes. And I'm just going to hold down for about 15 seconds, and then I'm going to let go, and then I'm going to move on to where that end of the last crimp was, and then I'm going to start there to create my other crimp. If you all know what I mean. I think I explained that weirdly, but y'all get it, y'all see it, and y'all gonna get to see it for the rest of this video. And I'm just gonna continue to do the same thing throughout the entire video. So that is my first crimp, as you all can see. And then after that, I am going to go in with some Got To Be Glue holding spray. And then I'm just going to spray that to set my crimp in place. After that, I'm going to move on to the next part of my hair. Like I said, you all want to take small sections so that the crimp can last. And also, y'all, when I do my hair in crimps, my crimps usually last for about a week. And then after that, I go in to wash my hair. You definitely need to make sure that you wash your hair after you've been using some type of holding spray, because holding spray makes your hair very stiff. So you definitely don't want to keep the crimps in for a super long time. So to anyone that is new to my channel, this hair is from Kendra's Boutique. You can also go check out my review and how I dyed my hair jet black, how I prepped for my sew-ins, and how I styled my sew-in freshly after installing it. Please be sure to check out those videos. And also, guys, if you want to see how I got my makeup like this, then comment that you want me to recreate this look, and I will definitely redo this look again because it was fairly simple. I'll definitely love to recreate this look again for you all if that's what you want. And with the hair in my head, I have in 224s and 222s. Like I said already, I got these bundles from Kendra's Boutique. You can check also on my channel to see the initial unboxing of this hair. I'll also link that video in the description box below. And you all let me know in the comment section if you all have tried Kendra's Boutique hair before and how you all liked it. So earlier in my video, you all seen me spraying the Got To Be Glue spray in my hair after I created the crimp, but I actually stopped doing that and started spraying it on my hair before I started to crimp my hair. And the reason that I stopped doing it after I set the crimp was because I found that once I sprayed it on my hair before I crimped my hair, the crimp was a lot more stiffer and my crimps were actually coming out more defined, and it came out a lot less frizzy. Because when I was setting it after I crimped my hair was kind of looking a bit frizzy. But when I sprayed it on there first and then I rubbed it down the shaft of my hair, it allowed the frizziness to go away, and it also added a bit of a shine to the crimp as well. So definitely spray the Got To Be Glue spray on your hair first. The reason that I was trying to spray it on after, because I seen in another YouTuber's video where she was spraying it on afterwards and her crimps came out pretty, but I don't know, it didn't work for me that well. I don't know if it's because we got different kind of hair, but it didn't work for me doing it that way. So it worked a lot better. My crimps came out a lot better spraying it on there first. So definitely make sure you try spraying it on first. Do whatever works for you. Spray it on there after, spray it on there first, and then whatever looks better, continue to do that. So also what I like to do is leave a little bit of my hair that is around my leave out. I like to leave that last little part and section that off with my leave out so that I can crimp that together with my hair, with my natural hair that I have left out, so the crimp will lay a lot better and it will blend in with my natural hair as well. So I leave a little bit of my bundles out so that I can crimp it with my natural hair. And then this is this side of my crimps, honey. Y'all know how I am, honey. I gotta say yes to this crimps, honey. Look at that. Yes, sweetie. Yes. Do a little bounce for them. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, y'all, we about to get into the other side. So now I'm going to take that part of my weave that I left out along with my leave out. I'm going to spray it with some more of that Got To Be Glue spray, and then I'm also going to go in with a little bit of my Care stick. I'm going to smooth that into my hair as well for the blenderization, honey. And then I am going to go in with my crimping iron, and I am going to begin to crimp that section of my hair as well. Also, I went ahead and laid my edges down off camera, and I went in with some wrapping hair paper, and I tied that around my edges so that my edges can lay flatter. And also, if you are thinking about heat damage or whatever, you can definitely make sure that you go in with some sort of serum, or make sure that you are going in with a heat protectant. And when you have leave outs and when you have a weave and you like for your weave to be slayed, you're going to experience a little bit of heat damage. Now, if you are into your curl pattern and if you are into like being natural and power to the sister and stuff, listen, you do not have to do this method. I do not put heat on my hair all the time, by the way. I probably put heat on my hair once every 2 weeks when I have my sew-ins, and the rest of the time I either leave my hair in a ponytail. I literally, like, once my hair feel like it's starting to swell a little bit, I start to put it in a ponytail because I don't want to put any more heat on it, so I don't suffer from too much heat damage. But I can tell when I take my sew-ins out, where my leave out is, my natural curl pattern isn't the same as it is in the back of my hair. And now I'm rambling, y'all, but I'm going to go in with that shaping spray, and then I'm going to spray it on my head, and then I'm going to take off that wrapping paper. And then, y'all, this is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Follow me on Instagram at Quoia_Renae, honey. And I just want y'all to get into this look, honey. Get into this look. And be sure to binge watch my videos. Go watch the rest of them, y'all. Don't click off this video. Click on these next cue cards. These cards that are going to pop up at the end of my video. Click on those. Watch those. And get into it. And make sure you subscribe. Love y'all. Bye.